besties, welcome back to Down for Glam. It's me, Gigi, and it's time to do another fruit slice. This time I really just had to do a kiwi. I love those kiwi nails. The black seeds just pop against that green and creamy yellow colored background. And so I definitely wanted to tackle this. Since we were doing fruit slice nails this week, why not throw in the kiwi? So we are going in with this green polish, which is a Elite 99 polish. Of course, that will be linked in the description box. I'm just cleaning up that middle because we are not going to do green in the middle. We're going to do that same cream color that you see the base of the nail is. So we're coming in with the second coat, and we're actually going to do 3 of these. But the third one, we're not going to cure right away. Now I really do, and some of it off camera, I fuss with the border of this kiwi a lot. But I'm going to tell you that in the end, I decided to just transcend it. Because when you slice a kiwi and you peel that kiwi, it's always got a slightly irregular border unless you're perfect, and I'm not perfect. So I only fussed with it so much before I went, okay, I'm done. So you're gonna have to forgive me for my slightly irregular border, although it's not too bad, I think, in the end. Not so bad in the end. Now, once we finish fiddling with this, what I'm gonna do, here we go, is take that cream polish and just pop a little bit in there. Because I want to brighten it up, but I also want to use it to drag through some color. Right here I'm feeling like, oh, that's not quite enough. So I pick a little bit up and drag it through some more. And I probably went a little too crazy in a couple spots, but you know what? Again, I transcended it. And I said, imperfection is perfection, and we're just going to let the beauty of the nail speak for itself. Hopefully it speaks to you as it did to me. I really enjoyed this nail in the end. Now I'm just going to go ahead and take some more of that cream, and just, you know how when you slice certain kiwis, they've got that kind of lighter section going in a circle. So that's what we are mimicking now, using that cream and sort of blending it in with the green to make almost a yellowy green sort of situation. I think it reads. I think it came out okay. You'll have to let me know if you agree with that. And then I'm just cleaning up that middle a little bit because I do want it to be a little more just solid cream color. Now I am just trying I'm going to fuss with this a little more. And actually I fuss with it even more than you are going to see, because I spent a ridiculous amount of time trying to make that correct, even though you'll see in the end it's not perfect. I just decided, oh well. Oh well. Accept the imperfections. Now we're coming in with a matte top coat because we are going to stay with that matte nail with the shinier elements on top. I really love that technique, and I think it's very effective with the fruit nails. Now we're coming in with a few seeds because kiwis have those brilliantly beautiful black seeds. Kiwis are also delicious, y'all. I like to put them on a cheesecake because they're so beautiful, and you can just make a beautiful circle. I love it. Now I'm just going to dot some little white dots on there to give it more of a shining in the light sort of quality. I'm not sure if that really reads or if I really pulled it off, but I like it. I like it. It's okay. Changed my mind. Into the lamp. Now I'm just mixing up a little clear with the green to make the juice. And I do end up coming back in and adding some more clear after I mixed this up because I decided that was not clear enough. It was not sheer enough. It wasn't giving me juice vibes at all. But once I mix this in, I definitely start feeling like that's just a drop of juice on that little palette. Okay, it took me a second, but I realized pretty quick that big drop in the middle of that creamy center was not going to work for me, so away it goes. And then I mess it up again and realize, no, away it goes. I bet you guys do the same thing, wipe things away and try again. As I really want that cream part to look that color. I don't want it to look like it's all green. And now we're just going in with those, with that juice around the slice. You know, like if it was laying on a plate or a cutting board or something, it would have juice around it, right? The juicy drops. Sorry, I did pop out of frame there for just a second. Sorry about that. But I did pretty good this time staying in the frame. I watched Selena Riordan do that on a video she put up today or yesterday maybe. There it is, guys. There's the finished one. So back to that, I didn't feel quite so bad after I watched her come out of frame too. So there you go. Different angles, coming around, seeing it from the side. We're gonna slam those other fruit slice nails up here, right now. There you go. All right, guys, let me know, are you excited about the fruit nail trend? Thank you so much for watching this video, and we will see you guys on Friday. Mwah!